Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best go-kart tires and wheels is probably one of the most crucial components for any go-kart enthusiast, directly impacting performance, handling, and overall driving experience on the track or trail. Whether you're a seasoned racer aiming for that extra edge or a casual rider looking for a smoother, more controlled ride, selecting the right set of tires and wheels can make a world of difference in how your go-kart grips the surface, accelerates, and corners, ultimately defining your fun and competitive spirit. Number 5. MaxAuto 11X 6.00-5 Lawn Mower Tires. Introducing the MaxAuto 11X 6.00-5 Lawn Mower Tires. These tubeless, 4-ply tires are designed for smooth operation on your garden riding tractor. Built with a heavy-duty 4-ply construction, these tires offer reliability for your lawn and garden applications. They are tubeless for easy installation. Featuring a smooth tread, these are ideal for commercial or lawn and garden mowers where aggressive traction isn't the primary concern. They provide a smooth ride. These tires, sized 11x 6.00-5, are compatible with a wide range of equipment. This includes many lawn mowers, garden tractors, and even go-karts. Each package includes a set of two 11x 6.00-5 lawn mower tires. Please note that the wheels are not included with this purchase. Before purchasing, please verify the size of your original tires. Ensuring you have the correct 11x 6.00-5 size will guarantee a perfect fit for your vehicle. What we like. This tire offers a smooth tread, perfect for lawn maintenance where aggressive traction isn't needed. Its 4-ply rating ensures durability for regular use. If you're looking for a reliable tire for your lawn mower or garden tractor that provides a gentle footprint and avoids frequent punctures, this is a solid choice. What people say. The tires are made of a durable rubber compound that provides excellent grip on various surfaces. The wheels are lightweight and balanced, contributing to a smoother ride and better handling. These tires and wheels are designed for optimal performance, offering great traction and stability during turns. Number 4. MaxAuto 16x8-7 ATV Tires, 2-pack. Introducing the MaxAuto 16x8-7 ATV tires, designed for your off-road adventures. Please verify your vehicle's original tire size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. These tires feature a size of at 16x8-7 with a 6-ply rating and are tubeless. They have a maximum load capacity of 180 pounds and a recommended tire pressure of 7 psi. This package includes a pair of 16x8-7 ATV tires, ready to enhance your vehicle's performance. Please note that wheels are not included. Experience superior performance with the directional tread pattern. Its widely spaced bars effectively shed mud and sand, providing excellent self-cleaning and a smooth ride on soft terrain. These 16x8x7 off-road tires are perfect for a variety of vehicles, including quad ATVs, UTVs, four-wheelers, and go-karts. What we like. Featuring a directional tread pattern, this tire excels at shedding mud and debris for excellent self-cleaning. The 6-ply rating provides robust performance for tougher terrains. If you need a tire that can handle varied off-road conditions for your ATV, UTV, or go-kart, offering a smooth ride and reliable grip, this is the one to consider. What people say. The tires are made of a durable rubber compound that provides excellent grip on various surfaces. The wheels are lightweight and balanced, contribute to a smoother ride and better handling. The tread pattern is designed for optimal traction, ensuring stability even during sharp turns. Number 3. MaxAuto 10-inch solid rubber tires. Say goodbye to the hassle of flat tires. Our solid rubber tires are designed to be completely flat-free, so you can stop worrying about frequent inflation. Experience superior traction with sawtooth tire treads that provide excellent grip. Built with heavy-duty ball bearings, these tires are made to last. These 10-inch tires are perfect for a wide range of equipment. Use them on your hand truck, garden cart, lawn mower, wheelbarrow, and more. With a load capacity of 300 pounds and a robust construction, these tires are ready for tough jobs. They feature a 2.25-inch offset hub and 5/8-inch bearings for reliable performance. Ensure compatibility by checking your original tire size, hub length, hub type, and bearing diameter before purchasing. This will guarantee a perfect fit for your equipment. Each package comes with a set of 4 flat-free tires and wheels, ready to be installed on your garden wagon, cart, or trolley. What we like. Say goodbye to flats with this solid rubber tire, designed for ultimate convenience and puncture resistance. The sawtooth tread offers dependable grip for various utility applications. If you're tired of dealing with flat tires on your hand truck, garden cart, or wheelbarrow and need a maintenance-free, grippy solution, this tire is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The tires have great traction on dirt and grass. The wheels are durable and have held up well to rough terrain. Easy to install and fit perfectly on my go-kart. Number 2. MaxAuto Lawn Mower Tires 4-Pack. Introducing the MaxAuto Lawn Mower Tires, designed for superior performance on your lawn equipment. This pack includes both front and rear tires for a complete upgrade. You'll receive a set of 4 tires, with 2 front tires sized 15x6.00-6 and 2 rear tires sized 18x9.50-8. They are tubeless and feature a durable 4-ply construction. The front tires measure 15x6.00-6, with a maximum load capacity of 570 pounds at 30 psi. They are built for non-highway service, ensuring reliability for your lawn tasks. The rear tires are sized 18x9.50-8, capable of carrying up to 1,040 pounds at 24 psi. These are also designed for non-highway use, providing robust support. These tires are compatible with a wide range of lawn mowers, riding lawn mowers, and lawn tractors. They are also suitable for golf carts, offering versatility for various equipment. Your order of 4 tires will arrive in 2 separate packages. Please note that due to shipping weight, these packages may arrive at different times. What we like. This package provides a matched set of front and rear tires, specifically designed for optimal performance on riding mowers and tractors. The larger rear tires offer better traction and stability for heavier tasks. If you're looking to outfit your lawn tractor or riding mower with a complete, durable, and balanced tire set for superior performance, this is the ideal solution. What people say. These tires are great for my go-kart, they grip the road really well and make it easy to steer. The wheels are very durable and have held up to a lot of abuse. I've hit curbs and other obstacles, and they haven't even scratched. The tires were easy to install and fit perfectly on my go-kart. I was able to get them on in just a few minutes. Number 1. MaxAuto 15x6.00-6 Front Tire and Wheel Assembly. Introducing the MaxAuto 15x6.00-6 Front Tire and Wheel Assembly. This set is designed for a wide range of riding mowers, offering a reliable replacement for your worn-out tires. It features a centered hub with adjustable lengths and interchangeable axle bores, ensuring compatibility with various mower models. This provides a flexible and easy solution for your repair or replacement needs. The unique tread pattern on these tires is engineered to increase friction with the ground. This not only reduces noise for a more comfortable ride but also minimizes damage to your lawn. Built with a 4-ply rating and a load capacity of 570 pounds, these pneumatic tubeless tires are designed for durability. They are ready to handle demanding tasks in your garden or yard. Each package includes 2 front tire and wheel assemblies along with an adapter kit. This kit contains various spacers and bushings to help you achieve the perfect fit for your specific mower. Before purchasing, please verify your original tire size, hub length, hub type, and axle bore diameter. Ensuring these match will guarantee compatibility and a hassle-free installation. What we like. This option comes as a complete wheel and tire assembly, simplifying installation and replacement. Its unique tread pattern is designed to minimize lawn damage while providing good traction. If you need a hassle-free, cost-effective solution for your riding mower's front tires and want to protect your lawn from scuff marks, this assembly is a perfect fit. What people say. The tires are made of a durable rubber compound that provides excellent grip on various surfaces. The wheels are lightweight and balanced, contributing to a smoother ride and better handling. The tread pattern is designed for optimal traction, ensuring stability even during sharp turns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.